Well, it's going to be better late than never, of course. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It is the one and only Lady Jackson. Take note. And this video is the episode 1 of the Nigerian Idol season 7. I know this is literally 1 week later after it was aired that I'm making my review video, but something came up, I couldn't make a video, and well, here it is. Wait, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share comments down below so this video even does better. Okay, now let's get right into it. First things first, of everything that happened on the episode 1 of Nigerian Idol season 7, I have this opinion. I've watched idol competitions around the world, and the first thing I noticed on this particular one is that the judges, Debanj, Simi, and Asika, they were giving way too much golden tickets. And how does golden ticket work? Yes, you could be a good singer, but do you give us something exceptional? That said, I feel some of, or most of the golden tickets that were given last week was uncalled for. They were not supposed to be giving golden tickets, because I also think I know that golden ticket makes it that you don't get to go through some other stages. You might just go direct into the last process before the live shows. But however they decided to do this time, it's none of my business. And yes, I'm not saying the singers who got golden ticket did not deserve it, because of course it could be really tense, but for the vocal and the texture of their voices or what they were giving, some didn't deserve the golden ticket. But I need to get into the funny parts of episode 1, because girl, for reference purposes, I'm not doing this in order of appearances, and I might have skipped the names of a few of the contestants because I was laughing and I forgot myself. So this particular girl was singing what's her name again, Alicia Keys, no one, no, just listen. I just really need to say this. How do I put it? This is not giving, girl. Like, no one. You need it to flow. Like, there is, every human being can sing, and there is a place where the placement of your voice is good. And girl, she was tense, it's obvious, but I still feel if she was given a second chance, she wouldn't do well. Next is Brother Paul. He's singing a gospel song, and I'm here for it. It's Sunday, so we gotta worship the Lord. Brother Paul, I think the judges gave you all they needed to give, because I was like, are you not supposed to be a prayer warrior or doing evangelism? You're not come and say you want to come to the chorister session. Maybe it's prayer warrior chorister you are, but please, Brother Paul, you look tall, dark, and handsome. Use it and do your business, please. This stage is not for you. I need me some water. Really, like, I really need me some water. And this other brother is here to let us know why he deserves to be on the Nigerian Idol stage, why he would win. And he's auditioning, well, I will always love you. Oh, okay, I'm done. Damn, you're singing a love song. First off, you have a straight face. You're like looking at these judges with a mean straight face, and I will always. And then there was Amarachi, and Amarachi is singing a song I don't know. Run me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby. Amarachi is the kind of singer that is almost there. She knows she can sing, but the fact that she is thinking twice about her talent, the fact that she's not yet confident, and the choice of song, and every other thing in between made her lost a supposed expected spot on the contestants, and I wouldn't blame the judges. She was really confusing us at the point, but I hope she comes back strong though. And like I said earlier, I might not remember the names of all these contestants because I was laughing my ass out and I didn't get to record that, but here is this lady singing the greatest love of all. That didn't work out as planned. This is not the greatest love that I came for. This is the greatest disappointment. That guy is singing a song he wrote himself, and let's just listen and see how it goes.
I'm gonna rise up, cause people always going.
No, I'm gonna rise up, oh yeah! Yes.
Now I need to give a point about this guy. The fact that he had no gloominess around his face when the judges said no, and that he was going to rise up, and he was really confirming to them. This is the best self-esteem anybody can have. The best self-esteem anywhere, down to this competition. I give him thumbs up because he knows he came to try out and see how it goes, and he did well. He tried.
Next year, when you come back, I'm gonna be a star.
And that is enough for one episode, of course. There was the laughs, there was the vibes, there were the voices, the confidence and everything. It was beautiful to watch, really. Like, it just worth my time, you know. I keep wondering what are these people doing, but of course I'm here for you guys. Guys, please, if you love my content, if you love this analysis, which I know I give it rightly, subscribe, share comments down below on the comment section, like this video, and let us get this viral. Let us get more people to see my reviews on this show, because back to back to back I will be giving it no relenting, no backwardness. That's what I said. See you on the next one. I'll be bringing it as hot, on time and accurately.